Good morning, students. In class 11, we saw the values of polynomial, values, how to find the value of the polynomial and the zeros of polynomial. In this section, we will see the exercise 4.3. Remainder. Usually, how you find the remainder? Say here, 7 divided by 2 means 7 divided by 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6. The remainder is, what is the quotient? The quotient is 3 and the remainder is 1. Like this same way you have to find in the equation. You have to find in the equation how to find out the remainder in the given equation. The equation here in the question they have given now, this is your dividend. Okay, this is your dividend like 7. In the example I have given 7 no, like that. This is the dividend and whatever the sums 1 x plus 1, x minus 1 by 2, x plus 5, 5 plus 2x, like that they have given, no, that is all the, this one, that 5 sums are your divisor, okay. So using this dividend and the divisor, you have to find the remainder, okay. How to find the remainder, I will teach you. See here, first dividend, how you write? X square plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So this is the dividend. Dividend you will write inside. So outside what will come? This is the divisor. No. So divisor you have to write the first one. First in this equation and this equation, in divisor and the dividend you have to check the first term. Which one is the first term in the divisor? X is the first term. In the dividend, which one is the first? X cube. Okay. In this dividend, which one is the first term? X cube is the first term. You have to write it here. What you will write? You have to write it. X cube, you have to write it here. Okay. So how you will write? If you are multiplying with the x square, this one. X into x square, what will come? X into x square. Using the exponent law, x1 plus 2 will come. So you will get x cube. Okay, so this term, the first term here, you have to bring x cube here. So for that, you have to multiply with the x square these two terms. Okay, with the divisor, you should multiply the x square. So first, x square into x, what will come? X cube. The next term, with the 1 x square, what will come? Plus, this is also plus, this is also plus, 1 into x square will come. Afterwards, here you have to subtraction. Okay, change the sign. Like normally in the numbers how we will change, we will subtract the same way you have to subtract. And x cube minus x cube will get cancelled. This term will get, first term will get cancelled. Now you got this one here. See here, see 3. Your number is not there, that is 1. Okay, so minus 1. So minus 1. So x square, here also x square, here also x square, so here x square will come. The third term you have to write it here, 3x. Okay, so 3 minus 1, these 3, these minus and 1. Okay, the numbers only you have to subtract here. Okay, so 3 minus 1, it will become 2. So what you will get the answer here? 2. Okay, so 2x square and you have to bring the third term down. Okay, so plus this 3x will come. And after this one, the first term you have to make it as 2x square. So what you will write here? So this is plus, no? So plus only you have to write. Suppose here minus is there, here minus is there. In the this one quotient also you have to put the minus sign. Okay, plus after both x is here. In the divisor, first term is x. Next you need, how much is it? You need, how much you need? 2x you need. Okay, so 2x, see x into 2x, then only you will get the 1 into 2, x into x square. Okay, you have to, you should get the same first term, whichever term is coming, the same thing you have to get it here. So that's way 2x into x. Okay, so you will get 2x square, then 2x into 1 plus 2x. Now you should subtract these two. If you are subtracting, these two will be cancelled. You will get the 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So x, you will get the answer down, remainder x. So now the next one you have to bring it down, plus 1. Now the first term is x, no, you have to make it x here. Already here x is there, so what you have to put? Plus 1. If you are putting plus 1, anything with the 1 you will multiply, the same only you get. So x into 1, x only will come, and the this one is plus 1. So what is your remainder? Here you are getting the remainder 0. Okay, at last the remainder what you got? The remainder is 0. So what is your question? Find the remainder. Okay, so your remainder is 0 for the x plus 1. Okay, so remainder is 0. So again I will teach this. See here, whatever equation they have given in the question, that is your dividend, and here in first, second, 5 sums they have given here in your textbook. Okay, that and all is a divisor for you. Okay, if you have to divide with the dividend and the divisor. If you are dividing that first term you have to check. Here x is there, here x cube is there. So down you have to bring the x cube. For that how much you need? X square. If you multiply with the x square, you will get the x cube here. The first term you have to cancel that. For that both the numbers, this number and this number, the both 7 if you are getting, if you are subtracting this, then only you get the 0, no? So like that first term you have to make it x cube, because the first term is your x cube. Okay, so x into x square if you multiply, then only you get the x cube. So with the x square, the next term also you should multiply. That's why you got the this one. The same way after this one, usually what you will do, you will subtract from the dividend whatever number you are writing down, you will subtract from the same way. You have to subtract from this equation to this equation. If you are subtracting 3 minus 1, you will get the answer 2. Okay, 2, this x square you have to write it down. Now the first term is 2x square. Then here you have to, next in the equation first term you have to make it 2x square. For that next what you will take? Plus 2x. If you are taking plus 2x, then only the first term will come 2x square. Like that you have to do the remainder what you are getting, that is only your answer. Now the second sum is the fourth one I have done, x plus, with the x plus 5 we have to divide the given equation. Okay, how to divide? X plus 5 is there. So first term you have to, here first term is x cube. So first term you have to make it x cube by set. So which variable you have to multiply with this? With the x square, if you multiply with the x, you will get the x cube. That's why x with the x square I have taken here. So x square into x cube. Next, pi into x square, so pi x square will come. Okay, and afterwards put the subtraction sign. This and this first term will get cancelled, and the second term 3 minus pi will come. Here any numbers are there, directly you can subtract. But here number is not there, instead of number pi is there, so 3 minus pi will come. So 3 minus pi, this x square will come, and next term you have to bring it down as well. So 3x you have to bring it down. And afterwards, this first term you have to get cancelled. So with the same number if you are multiplying, so then only we get cancelled, no? So 3 minus pi into x I put. Why x I put? X square is there. Why x I put? Because here also one x is there. So if you multiply, you will get the x square. That's why you have to take the here x. Okay. So x into x square. The degrees also will come the next degree. Here square came, here 1 came, and afterwards constant name term came. Like this only for your results will come. Okay. So x and this one with x into x square. Okay. So here also the second one with the 3 minus pi into x, if you multiply with the pi, 3 minus pi of whole bracket. Okay. Outside this pi and x will come. So pi x. Okay, and afterwards this first term will get cancelled. This and this how you will do? Here I have done this here. So 3x minus, this is the minus. Okay, you have to change the sign now. So minus 3 minus pi. Outside also 1 pi x will come. Okay, so this pi x first you have to multiply with this inside the bracket numbers. Okay, with the 3 if you multiply with the pi x, 3 pi x will be. And afterwards minus. Okay, minus into minus. Here minus also you have to do. Minus into here also minus into minus plus will come, and afterwards with the pi it will multiply pi square. This x will come. Okay, so every term x are there, so x we have to take it outside commonly. So 3 minus 3 pi minus plus pi square will be the answer. Okay. So first term is 3 minus 3 pi plus pi square. Okay, with the same thing we have to multiply the next term. So what you have to do? The same thing I have written here. With the x you have to multiply. So if you multiply with this number and this number, you will get the first term like this. And afterwards with the subtraction sign. So here you will get the answer. The next one 3 minus 3 pi plus pi square will come into 1 into pi will come. Okay. Into pi will come. And afterwards with the pi, if you multiply this one, here with 1 you have to subtract this number. Okay, so 1 minus this one. Here I multiply and subtract this number. Okay, so 3 into pi 3 pi and minus here minus sign is there, no? So this will become plus. Okay, so this will become minus 3 into pi minus 3 pi minus into minus plus. So 3 pi into pi 3 pi square. Next minus into plus minus pi square into pi cube. So what is your remainder? The remainder only you have to find out now. So your remainder is that 1 minus 3 pi square plus 3 pi square minus 3 minus pi cube. Okay, this is only your remainder. Your assignment is in exercise 4.3 page number 71. First sum in first main I have done 2 sums. Okay, remaining sums you have to do as a homework, and the second sum and third sum you have to complete in the homework. Today class is over. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you, students.